Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the rest of the Dollar Tree haul, which is my beauty finds. I found so many awesome new beauty skincare related items. Now in terms of makeups, I really didn't have, I use the word beauty because it's well rounded and can cover a lot of, nails, skincare, makeup kind of things. They didn't have a lot of makeup stuff at the store, so that's why I'm using the word beauty. They had a lot of skincare stuff, and they had some new shampoos and stuff new to my store. And I found the 32 fluid ounce 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It's in the aloe vera spearmint and pro vitamin B5. It's from the Pro Silk Salon brand. This is essential oil infused moisturizing 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It smells really good as well. A lot of product in here for $1.25. The other new body shower item I found was the Spa House Mind and Body Nouveau Hydration Body Wash, and it has extract complex with coconut, oat, and honey extracts. This also smells really good, and it's 32 fluid ounces. Once again, $1.25. You really can't beat that. It's going to last a while. Okay. Something that's not new but a repurchase is the Bolero Hydrating Cleansing Facial Wipes and Watermelon and Sweet Mint. This is a 30 count for $1.25, and I love the Watermelon and Sweet Mint scent. These are my favorite makeup wipes from the Dollar Tree, and I'm glad they started carrying this scent again. I love the packaging on these. Look how super cute. And these would be great bag and basket filler for like a skincare basket or something for a gift. I did find one nail care item, and it's from Be Pure, and this is the Mango Cuticle Oil Pen, and they had mango and lavender scents at my Dollar Tree, and I was interested in trying the mango scent. And I like this pen form. They're easy to use. You just twist it and it dispenses oil out of the brush, and you apply it real easy and simple to your cuticles. They had these body butters by Crystal Waters, and it just says nourishing body butter, beautiful bath, and this is a sage and cedar scent, which I really do like, woodsy kind of scents, so I think this will smell great. It's 3.4 fluid ounces, still sealed, can't really smell it, but they had a rose scent and this sage and cedar. So I can't wait to try this out. This is new to my Dollar Tree. They also had a shower gel, but was relatively small. It looked watery in the bottle, so I didn't pick that up, but I got the body butter. I'm hoping it looks really thick and nice. And then Bolero had some more skincare face items. This item here, there was so many different scents. There was like a honey, willow and honey. There was this papaya and tangerine pill. There was rose scented. There was several different, I think there was a coconut one. Either way, there was a lot of these skincare items in these baggies again. So they had like a face mist, a face hydrator. They had the cleansing balms, and this I got the jelly facial cleanser. I've had one of these in the past. They're really, really good. I do recommend them. The papaya and tangerine pill, so I thought this was going to be very invigorating and kind of energizing kind of scent. And it says it's infused with clarifying enzymes, a cleansing blend of ingredients for a total skin refresh. So I thought this would be great. These are usually about 1 fluid ounce or so. But they had jelly cleansers, facial balms, they had facial serums, oils, facial hydrators. There was a whole box, and this is the one that I picked up. And then they also had a whole other line of scents, and this is the only scent, but they had these in sparkling from Bolero. They had sparkling pear and honey facial cream, which I picked up, and it says calm, nourish, and replenish. I love the packaging on this. Probably going to be great. I've used their facial creams in the past and I do like them. And they had the gentle exfoliator, a facial wash in this line, and then the other thing they had was the Bolero sparkling pear and honey facial toner, and it also says Calm, Nourish, and Replenish. The other item they had in this line and scent was is the Bolero Sparkling Pear and Honey Facial Toner. Calm, Nourish, and Replenish says the same thing, but this is the toner. So I picked up the cream and the toner to try out. I'm not crazy about their facial washes because they're kind of watery in my opinion. They do cleanse, they're fine at that, but they're kind of watery and thin. I prefer the clean and clear and facial cleansers. And then they also had the gentle exfoliator, which I don't use a lot of exfoliators on my face all the time, and when I do have one, like right now, is a St. Ives one, and it lasts me forever because I don't use it all the time. I don't like to overdo it. So I'm excited to try all of these new skincare items that I found. I just love Bolero, and I had to share this stuff with you guys. If you see anything you'd like a review on, please let me know and I'll be happy to do it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Thank you so very much for watching.